Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve another interview problem. And the problem is to implement strStr function. This is basically a C++ inbuilt string function. Similar kind of function we have in JavaScript. We call it index of. So we are going to see how to implement this function. And basically, this inbuilt function, what it does, it finds the index of first occurrence of the string. So this is a similar kind of problem. It is also asking you the same. You are given with the two strings. These are the strings. And what you have to do, you have to find the first occurrence of this particular string inside of this string. So let's see how to do that and what would be the approach. So let's consider we already have a string. Let me write it down first. So this is the given string and this is the next string. So here, first thing is we have to iterate through whole element, this whole string, and we'll go index by index. And while iterating, let's suppose on the first iteration, we'll go with index 0, on the second 1, 2, and so on. So let's see first three cases. So in case of 0th index, we'll first find the substring of this string based on this length, based on the length of this string, needle string. So here we have to take, let's call it n dot length. We'll take the length of this string and we'll take a substring to this position. So that means we are taking substring and we are getting sad as the first substring. So we are getting sad here. And here we have to do a check if this string, whatever we got from this operation, if this matches with this string. Basically, it's a needle variable. So this string will match with needle. And if this condition satisfies, then we are going to return the index. Otherwise, suppose after doing this operation, this condition doesn't satisfy. In that case, it will look through and it will go to next index. So in the next iteration, we will take this substring. If we do the following operation here, we'll get the next string ADB. Then we'll do the same thing. We'll compare it with the needle. If it doesn't matches, then we'll go to the next iteration. So this operation will continue till we reach the end of this string. And at the end, if we didn't find anything, we are just simply going to return -1. So let's see how to implement this programmatically. So I'm going to write a simple JavaScript function here. And let's call this strStr. And we have two strings with us. One is with the name haystack and another one is needle. And let's start iterating through this string. I'll start from index 0. I'll go till the length of this string. And if you notice one thing, okay, let me come on that later. Yeah, and while iterating, we have to do this following operation. Basically, we have to take a substring from starting 0 till this length. And for that, we can write, we have an inbuilt function called substr, substr. There are various inbuilt functions which you can use. We have a substring function, then substr, then slice. So whatever you prefer, you can use it. So simply I'm going to take substring with this inbuilt function starting from 0. Basically not 0, we have to take it from I because we'll keep on incrementing this I value, and I'll go till the length of this needle. And I'll check if this is equal to this string, and this will be a if block. Let me expand it a bit. Yeah, and if this satisfies, that means we found our position and we are going to return that index. Otherwise, we don't have to do anything. We'll just iterate through the string. And at the end, it will only reach at the end if we didn't find anything. So at the end, if there is nothing, means if we didn't find anything, in that case, we are going to return -1. So this is a simple program. And you can optimize it further. If you see here, I'm going through each item of haystack string. You don't have to do that, because if you notice, suppose you have reached to this location. While iterating through for loop, if you have reached to this location, it doesn't make sense to go beyond, because you don't have this length element here. You don't have 3 elements after this. So you can stop right here after this iteration. So in this condition, you just have to modify one thing. With haystack dot length, you just subtract needle dot length. It's just an optimization technique. If you don't want to do that, it will still work. And if we talk about the time complexity about this function, we can see we have a for loop here, which is running through this haystack string. And let's suppose this is of length n. Then the time complexity would be order of n for this for loop. And inside we are using this substring function. This is inbuilt function, and the time complexity for this is the length of this string, needle string. Let's suppose that is order of m. So if we combine this two, means this is order of n. If we combine this two, we'll get order of n into m. So this is the time complexity for this particular function. And this is how index of function in JavaScript works. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. In case if you have any doubt, feel free to post it on the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.